Looking for a better DiskDigger alternative? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 Android data recovery tools that can recover more than just photos, including contacts, messages, videos, and documents. Top 1. Best DiskDigger for Android alternative. Doctor for Android. Need a versatile Android recovery tool? Mobican Doctor for Android helps recover deleted contacts, messages, photos, and more from internal storage or SD cards with a simple interface. How to recover deleted files from an Android device without backup via Mobican Doctor for Android? Install the tool and connect your phone via USB. Enable USB debugging and detect your device. Select data types and scan for deleted files. Preview items and click Recover to restore. Root your device for deeper scans if needed. Top 2. Recuva for Android. Another tool that has earned recognition is Recuva for Android. Known for its lightweight design and efficiency, it can recover files from memory cards and storage devices with minimal effort, offering flexibility across different file types. Top 3. DiskDrill Data Recovery for Android. For those seeking a more comprehensive solution, DiskDrill Data Recovery for Android offers advanced scanning algorithms. It supports recovery of photos, videos, documents, and even hidden files, making it suitable for complex recovery needs. Top 4. Dumpster. A slightly different approach is taken by Dumpster, which functions like a recycle bin for Android devices. Instead of waiting until files are permanently lost, it stores deleted items temporarily, allowing users to restore them instantly. Top 5. DigDeep Image App Recovery. DigDeep Image Recovery specializes in restoring deleted photos. It scans internal and external storage with a simple process, making it a great DiskDigger alternative for image recovery.